Let me ask you all a question, yeah? Imagine I gave two people the exact same phones. I gave them the exact same internet connection. I gave them the exact same time every day. I gave them the exact same 50,000 naira to start. Then one person builds an online business that is able to generate at least 1 million naira every month, while the other person is still saying making money online is a scam. What do you think is the difference between both of them? Obviously, their thoughts. Obviously, their mindset. It was never the type of phone I gave to them. It was never the amount I gave to them. It was never the type of internet connection they are using, but their thoughts, their mindset. Can you see how important your mindset is? So today, I will be sharing with you all 7 mindset shifts every successful entrepreneur has gone through. 7 mindset shifts you need to have if you want to start making money from the online space. Ensure you watch the end. You're welcome to day 3 of our 90 days online income challenge, where I take you from a point where you're confused, where you don't know how to make money, to showing you the pathway, to show you everything you need for you to start making money and see you make that money for yourself. So let's dive into it. Mindset shift number 1. Stop asking, how can I make money online? You need to stop asking. When you wake up in the morning, you're asking, how can I make money online? That is not the right question. That is not the right mindset to have. You need to start asking, how can I create value today? How can I solve a problem today? Think about it. The barber out there is solving a problem of cutting your hair. Without that barber, you'll be growing with your hair and your beards looking like the apes of the old. The restaurant lady out there, she's solving a problem of hunger. The doctor is solving a problem. An employee in a company is solving a problem. What are they doing? They are bringing value. They are adding to the, to the progress and the potential of that company. The same thing applies to the internet space. Before you can make money, you need to give value. Before you can make money, you need to solve a problem. So the better question you should be asking is, what problem can I solve? Whose problem can I solve? What value can I bring to the table online? That is where the money is. Mindset shift number 2. Stop waiting for the perfect condition. One of the lies we all tell ourselves at some point is, oh, I will start when I have a good phone, when I have a phone that has a better camera quality. I will start when I have more money. I will start when I buy a laptop. The truth is this: there will always be something you don't have. Even at this point, there are things I don't have. I don't have a DJI camera. I don't have it. I don't even have a normal digital camera. I am still making use of my phone. So there will always be something you don't have. Just let that sink. Start with what you have. Most successful online entrepreneurs, online business owners you see today that are making good money for themselves, they started with one old looking iPhone. They started with one Android phone. They actually started somewhere. If you keep waiting for the perfect condition, for everything to be in place, next year you will still be waiting, because woman wants is insatiable. Abi, you will still be waiting next year. So please start where you are. Start with what you have. When I started this channel, I have said this before, I started with a smartphone. What's the name of that phone? A techno phone. Techno something. Techno Spark. Either a Techno Spark 7 or Techno Spark something. That was the phone I started creating content on YouTube with. It was not clear, not at all, but I was ready to start, and I started with what I had then. And today we are growing. The quality of the videos are getting better. Stop waiting for the perfect conditions. Start. Mindset number 3. You need to start thinking long term. You need to start thinking long term. Making money online is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not bring 50,000 today and get 100,000 or 1 million tomorrow. Building a successful business online requires time. You need to give it time. You need to be patient with this. See, Let me give you this scenario again. You don't plant a mango tree today, and after 1 month you go back to that mango plant because you don't have a mango fruit. You uproot it. I'm not ready. This mango tree is not working. You uproot. Do you do that? Obviously not. It takes years for that mango seed you put to actually grow and become a mango tree and start producing mango fruit. It takes years. Same thing applies to, you know, making money online. Success online is often a result of months of consistent effort, not just one viral moment, not just a video going viral. It is your months of effort, consistent effort, your years of effort put together that will give you success on the online space. So I need you to start thinking long term. Give yourself long-term goals. Do you get me? Mindset number 4, very important. Invest in yourself first. See, it's funny how many people have 200,000, 500,000 to buy a brand new phone, but they don't have 10,000 naira to learn a skill. They don't have 5,000 naira to learn a skill. They don't have 50,000 naira to learn a skill, but they have millions to buy the latest iPhone. Make it make sense. Let me tell you something. The greatest investment you can make is investing in yourself. Invest in yourself. Go learn that skill. Pay that money. Pay that teacher, that mentor, that coach. Pay them. Learn that skill. One skill you learn today can keep generating money for you for years and years and years to come. One skill. So go learn that skill. It could be copywriting, it could be video editing, it could be content creation, it could be digital marketing. Just ensure you learn something. It is important. Invest in yourself first before people can pay you. Mindset shift number 5. Build. Build, my people. Don't just consume. Most of you spend hours watching videos. You spend hours watching videos, or you don't take any action at all. Now, this is a challenge. Ask yourself, how many hours did I spend watching videos yesterday? Yes, you watched all those videos. What did you put in place? What is the step you actually put in place to show that yes, you gained something from the videos you watch, from those contents? Nothing. Listen to me, guys. Watching content is useful, but here's the thing. Creating content and taking action is what will change your life. If you rely on just watching all the videos, consuming, and you're not creating, you're not building, you're not putting things in place, what have you done at the end of the day? Nothing. So you need to start building. In fact, build more than you consume. Mindset shift number 6. Very important. Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else chapter 20. Social media makes this mistake so easy. Most times you come online, you come on Instagram or Facebook, you see somebody posting their brand new car, you see them posting how they made millions from YouTube, you see them posting how they were able to close 1,000 sale in a week, and you're feeling left behind. You're feeling, oh, it's not working for me. But what you fail to see, or what they are not showing you, is the sleepless nights, the days where they tried and failed, putting structures in place, creating, building. You don't see that part. All you see is the finished product. My lady, my guy, there is work behind the scene. They've done the work and they're just glamorizing you by showing you the finished product. You need to focus on your focus. You need to focus on your path. What they are showing you should actually motivate you and let you know that yes, there is money on the online space. It is possible to make money. It shouldn't make you feel bad. It shouldn't make you feel left behind. It shouldn't make you feel as if you're not doing something. You're actually doing something. Give it time. So don't compare. Instead, what they are posting, all those finished products, all those things they are glamorizing should motivate you. It should push you even harder to keep building, to keep improving on your skill, and to keep showing up. That's the positive mindset I need you to have. Mindset shift number 7. Action creates confidence. Some people think that confidence comes first, but no, it doesn't. Action is what creates, is what births confidence. If you don't create that video, if you don't sit down, face the camera and start talking, how will you be confident? No, you don't. Confidence success doesn't just fly into you. It is effort, it is practice that makes perfect. You need to keep showing up. Those people you see online, you admire the way they speak, you admire their courage, you admire, how fluent they are. They did not just appear like that, all polished. It is years of, always showing up. It is years of always improving on themselves. So you need to take action for that confidence to be built. Remember, your action creates experience, and your experience over time is what builds confidence. So my lady, my guy, start taking action today. Now, remember at the beginning of this challenge, I told you all that I want to take you from point zero to a hero, from a point where you don't know how to make money online, you're not making money online, to actually making money online for yourself. But here is the thing. I can't build your business for you. I can't take action on your behalf. I can't do that. All I can do is show you the path. You have to walk that path. So this is day 3. We are done with day 1, day 2, and here day 3. What actions have you put in place? Are you just writing? Are you just watching? I need you to start building. So here is your assignment for today. Amongst all these mindset shifts I've explained, which one are you applying today? Not tomorrow, like right now. Which one are you applying? You can leave them down in the comments. I want to read them. I want to see them. Guys, here is the trick. Share this video with somebody out there, and I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. I love you.